Welcome back to the world of AI language models, ladies and gentlemen. You've come to the right place if you're interested in artificial intelligence, machine learning, or just technology in general. Let's start by talking about how these AI language models compare to one another. They are all language models with AI power. They generate text and understand it using deep learning techniques. To teach them the linguistic patterns of human language, a lot of data is used in training. The similarities between these models have been discussed, so let's move on to their unique qualities. ChatGPT. An amazing language models created by OpenAI, ChatGPT is the first on the list. ChatGPT is renowned for its incredible natural language processing abilities and capacity to produce text that is human-like. Let's start with ChatGPT, one of the most popular language models that can do a variety of things, including writing stories, responding to questions, and even chatting with you. With the ability to produce text responses that resemble those of humans, ChatGPT is a highly flexible language model built on the GPT-3 standard and created by OpenAI. If you're looking for a chatbot that knows a little bit about everything, ChatGPT is the way to go. It has a huge database of information, including books, movies, music, and more. Although ChatGPT has a sizable database, there is a drawback. You might have to wait a while for a response, but once you do, it's sure to be hilarious. Now we have Lambda, the language model that is all about the specifics. A language model that both produces and comprehends text was created by Google AI. Lambda is a fantastic tool for writers because it excels at producing text in response to a given prompt. The Latent Multi-Document Attention Model, or Lambda, is intended to produce precise and in-depth data. For those who are interested in all the specifics surrounding a given subject, this model is ideal. The chatbot for people seeking a more somber conversation is called Lambda. This OpenAI-created AI language model is intended to produce well-thought-out responses to any queries you pose. Lambda is ideal for those who want to learn more about a particular subject or for those who simply want to engage in an insightful conversation. You can discuss anything with Lambda, from politics to science, and you'll always get an informed, well-researched response. Lambda might not be the best option, though, if you're looking for a chatbot that will make you smile. Every single day is business as usual. Before we continue, don't forget to like, share, follow, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Coming up, we have Bloom. Created by Element AI, is intended to produce more varied and impartial text than other models. It resembles a language model with a conscience. A language model that emphasizes flowers exclusively. Bloom is a product created by Element AI and is intended to be simple to use and extremely accessible. You don't have to be an expert in AI to start using Bloom. It's ideal for those with little experience who want to begin working with AI. The chatbot for writers is called Bloom. This AI writing assistant was developed to assist you in developing your writing abilities and is ideal for those who want to advance their writing. You can always turn to Bloom for assistance with your next writing project because it has a huge database of knowledge, including grammar guidelines and writing advice. Bloom is always available to support your writing, whether it's a book, a poem, or a blog post. Bloom is a bit of a grammar Nazi, so if you're not careful, it might start editing your writing even when you're just chatting with friends. That's right, you don't have to pay a dime to use one of the most sophisticated language models available today thanks to Bloom's open source nature. Lastly, we have Replica. This is a language model that can be trained to recognize and imitate a particular writing style. It's similar to having your writing style's digital twin. A conversation-centered language model. Replica was created by Replica AI and is intended to learn from your conversations to become your best friend in artificial intelligence. With Replica, you can communicate with an AI that remembers your preferences and communicates with you in a human-like manner. For those who want to converse with an AI that feels like a real person, this model is ideal. So why not give them a look? Keep in mind that artificial intelligence is just a tool like any other. The deciding factor is how you use it. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on notifications, like, follow, and leave a comment.